Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications for INFINIX Hot 12i. So in order to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. Here we want to find an app called Notify Buddy. Install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here move to the next step and grant two permissions to the app. First is overlay permission, allow display over the other apps, and next is notification permission. So simply do the same thing, just allow notification access. Now go back, and here we just need to change the app, and here there's battery optimization, which is optional. You don't need to disable it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's start using this app, and here we can find a user. So choose any apps to allow custom LED lamp notifications for. In system you can find all system bound apps. In active there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement on the screen. And now to see how it looks like, let's press on the test button, and here's the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.